Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games. Today I want to show you this fun algebra puzzle I found from the internet. So the figure is made from a straight line 16 cm long, so 16 cm long here, and two quarter circles, one with its center at the midpoint of the straight line. What is the area of the figure in cm squared? So let's draw the diagram again. So the first quarter circle is here, and then the other quarter circle is here. So we drew the dotted line, that's the quarter circle, and then another quarter circle here, okay? Now let's try and color the left part of the figure. We use green here. This will be very useful, as we will see now. Now I'm gonna draw the whole diagram again. So I'll draw the quarter circle on the right first, and then the other quarter circle I'll move it to here. So actually, you see I have highlighted the part here. The left part of the figure, we can put it to the right side, and the whole thing now becomes a square. And not just any square, but a square of side length 8 cm and 8 cm. Why do we know it's 8? Well, because we are given that the side length of the quarter circle, of the two quarter circles, is 16 cm. So the base of the square must be 8. So what's the area of the square? Well, area is just 8 times 8 equals 64 cm squared. So the answer is 64. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment your approach, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.